Innovation is boundless, and the year 2022 was an exciting one for science. From exploring the deep secrets of space to possible immortality, let's see some of the biggest scientific breakthroughs that happened in 2022. Reversing death, reviving pig cells. A group of Yale scientists reported this summer that they accomplished reviving cells in the kidneys, hearts, liver, and brains of pigs that had been dead in a lab for an hour. The researchers achieved the act by using a device much like a heart-lung machine to pump a custom-made solution named Organ X into the pigs' bodies. The pigs' hearts began beating and sent the solution through their veins. The pigs weren't revived, but their organs began functioning again, and they never got stiff like a normal dead pig. The researchers hope their breakthrough ultimately will help increase the supply of human organs accessible for transplant by letting doctors get viable organs from bodies long after death. The technology also could be useful in reducing damage to hearts from heart attacks and to brains from strokes. Baby wormhole replicated in a quantum computer. Since they were first proposed in 1935 by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen, wormholes have stayed in the realm of speculative science fiction. Einstein-Rosen bridges or wormholes are theoretical structures that can be deemed a tunnel with two ends at different points in spacetime. This tunnel could be linking 2 points at large or small distances or 2 different points in time. In 2022, scientists have brought wormholes out of the worlds of Star Trek and Interstellar, and have brought them into this world that we live in. Well, kind of. Researchers at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, created 2 simulated black holes in a quantum computer and broadcast a message between them, basically creating a tunnel in space-time. While the researchers didn't create a rupture in space and time in physical space, it seemed a traversable wormhole was formed based on quantum information teleported by using quantum codes on the quantum computer. While it may be a long time before we can send a person or their dog through a wormhole, this research still signifies an important breakthrough. Scientists have long chased a better understanding of these wormholes, and the new research will help them make progress toward that goal. The James Webb Telescope. This year in aerospace technology, Popular Science magazine named NASA's James Webb Space Telescope the innovation of the year. Not like the Hubble Space Telescope, which scanned the universe from low Earth orbit. The Webb telescope is camped hundreds of thousands of miles farther out, sitting in Earth's shadow, where it is forever blocked from sunlight. Its view is further covered by a multi-layer sun shield. It sits at the temperature of -370 degrees Fahrenheit, best suited for its infrared sight. As a result, the James Webb Telescope can see deep into fields of developing stars. It can peer 13 billion years back in time at ancient galaxies. It can glimpse at exoplanets, seeing them exactly where astronauts would have once had to reconstruct measly traces of their existence. It can teach us about how those stars and galaxies came together from primeval matter, something Hubble could only glance. Synthetic mouse embryo builds a beating heart. In a further scientific breakthrough that will have you doubting what life means, the University of Cambridge and Caltech made an artificial embryo without using any sperm or egg cells. The embryo made using mouse stem cells developed a beating heart, a brain, and the foundations for all the other organs in the body. The stem cells are the master cells of the body and can develop into almost any of the many cell forms in the body. The researchers imitated the natural processes that happen at conception and guided 3 types of stem cells found in premature mammalian development until they started interacting. They established an exceptional environment for their interactions and got the stem cells to speak to each other. Due to this, the stem cells organized themselves into structures and evolved through developmental stages until the embryos had beating hearts and the footings of the brain, along with the yolk sac from which embryos get nutrients in the first weeks. Unlike other synthetic embryos developed in the past, the researchers' embryos touched the point where the entire brain began to grow. This research was done on mice, but the researchers hope the technology can be used to develop specific human organ types. This research helps them identify the crucial organ development process that couldn't be done with real human embryos. The 14-day rule in the United Kingdom and other countries stops scientists from studying human embryos in laboratory conditions. Nuclear fusion. In December, scientists at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California revealed that they had produced the first fusion reaction that created more energy than was used to start it. The long intangible achievement marked a breakthrough in harnessing the procedure that fuels the sun. This milestone moves us one significant step nearer to power our society with zero-carbon fusion energy. Fusion involves pushing together two nuclei of a lightweight element, like hydrogen, at a massive speed, forcing them to fuse. The leftover mass is converted into an immense amount of energy, according to Einstein's formula E equals mc². Different from fission, in which atoms are split, fusion requires minor amounts of ordinary fuel. The amount of hydrogen in a glass of water could provide enough energy for one person's lifetime, and doesn't create much radioactive waste, which is why it has been called the holy grail for the future of nuclear power. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it. Until next time.